Photosynth is an application from Microsoft for creating advanced panoramas of the world around you. You can see how this works if I jump straight into the capture process here. You can see a fairly traditional camera viewfinder, but as we move around the panorama or the landscape, you can see that additional images are being captured. These will then be stitched together to create the panorama of the synth. Now the clever thing about this is it's using the camera's built-in sensors. That's things like the accelerometer, the gyroscope and the compass to kind of provide contextual information about where the photo is being taken. That's how it can sort of see, if you like, what you're pointing at. The other thing about Photosynth is, as you can see, it's not just in one particular orientation. You can point it at pretty much whatever you like to create a 360-degree bubble of everything you see around you. So it's, very different to the kind of the traditional panorama style applications. Now you can create, as I say, a complete bubble around you, but I'm actually going to stop here so that it doesn't take too long to create the synth. Do that by just ticking button at the bottom there. You can see it's now stitching the panorama together. This will take a couple of minutes. If you take lots of photos, you may need anything up to 40 to get a complete 360-degree model, but it'll take less time because we've taken fewer photos. Once it's actually created it, you can share it up to Facebook or Twitter, or indeed the Photosynth website itself. It's really a very clever way of creating a complete panorama, capturing what you've seen, so a complete contrast to what you're usually doing with something like a camera phone. So clever technology. It is available on various other platforms as well, but this is the first time it's been available on Windows Phone. So you can see it's finished complete stitching the panorama. There you can see I can scroll around it. Haven't been in great lighting conditions, so it's not a particularly high quality one, this, but you can see the way it works. Now if I go back, you'll just see over here is my library. Here's some that I created earlier. This is one that's just from a few minutes ago. You can see I've done almost a complete surround, so you can see you can go all the way around in 360 degrees, and then you can zoom in if you want to using the normal pinch to zoom technique on a camera phone. There we go. So there we go, there's a quick look at the synth application.